Every interaction with wildlife, whether intentional or accidental, has a ripple effect on the ecosystem, and their patience is wearing thin. As we continue to encroach on their habitats, these animals are forced to adapt in ways that often bring them into conflict with humans. It's a wake-up call for all of us to reconsider how we coexist with the natural world. This isn't just about sensational headlines, folks. This is about understanding the delicate balance of our ecosystem and the consequences of disrupting it. We're talking about the very real possibility of more frequent and severe animal encounters, and the need for us to wise up and learn how to coexist peacefully.